When someone lands on your funnel, they have only one question in mind. Can I trust this person to get me results? They're not thinking about your bonuses, your 6-week system, or your frameworks. They are thinking, is this just another person trying to take my money? That's what 99% of funnels miss. They focus on being clever instead of making the prospect feel safe. Because here's the truth: humans don't buy the promise, they buy the feeling of safety that the promise will actually come true. Every funnel that actually converts high ticket clients follows a hidden emotional sequence. I call it safety, clarity, trust, urgency. Number one, safety. This is the first emotional wall. If your funnel doesn't immediately make them feel safe, they are gone. Visual proof, screenshots, testimonials, case studies, calm tone, a clean design, all of this builds safety. Think about it like a first date. You don't ask someone to marry you the moment you sit down, you first make them comfortable. Number two, clarity. Once they feel safe, the next question is, what exactly is this thing? If your message is confusing, people assume it's risky. And when the brain feels confused, it doesn't buy. It protects itself. The natural guard goes up. Number three, trust. Here's where you show proof, but not just testimonials. Proof that looks like them. Proof that looks like your ICP. People don't trust success stories anymore. They trust similarity. Number four, urgency. This is where most people start their funnel, but urgency only works after safety and trust exist. So, how do you actually build the perceived certainty? Let's break this down using a framework I adapted from psychology and copywriting. It's called NESB: new, easy, safe, and big. Every high converting funnel needs to give your audience these four feelings. New, this is something fresh. If it feels like the same old coaching system they have seen 100 times, the brain tunes out. Show your unique mechanism, your why this works story. Easy, I can actually do this. People buy simplicity, so break the process into 3 simple steps. Don't show how complex your system is, show how it simplifies the life. Safe, I won't lose money or time. Use social proof, clarity, and calm communication. Remember, panic sells low ticket, peace sells high ticket. Big. This is worth doing. The payoff must feel life changing. Otherwise, even a safe, easy offer feels boring. When your funnel hits all four, new, easy, safe, and big, it triggers perceived certainty. The brain thinks, this is new, I can do it. It feels safe, and it's worth it. That's the emotional cocktail that creates conversions. Let's take a simple example. Imagine 2 funnels for the same coaching offer. Funnel A shows a big headline: make 10K a month with my 6-week program. Funnel B says, how coaches add 10K a month without posting every day or hiring a team. See the difference? Funnel B feels easy and safe. It's not shouting, it's calming. That's why it converts, not because it's better copy, but because it builds certainty in the prospect's mind. You can have the best ads, the most advanced automations, the slickest design, but if your funnel doesn't make people feel safe, it's mathematically doomed. That's why you see funnels with 100,000 visitors and no clients, and others with 200 visitors and 10 sales. The difference isn't traffic, it's trust. In the next video, I'll show you how to design a funnel that automatically builds perceived safety step by step. Because once you master this, you won't need to chase leads. You'll make them feel certain enough to chase you.